We have our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us today. Satish, we all know about the unpredictability of the stock market. But is there a way in which we can stand unaffected in spite of the constant change?
Here is the founder of Amazon. So we all know Jeff Bezos. And he's always asked this question, what's going to change in the next 10 years? And his question is that I never look at what's going to change in the next 10 years. In fact, I'm more concerned about what's not going to change in the next 10 years. He says that his business is based on just three principles. Amazon, he says, is based on just three principles. What's not going to change? And according to him, these three things are not going to change. What are those three things? He says that people want good quality of products. They want a wide variety of products. This is not going to change. Okay. The second thing they want is they want quick delivery. The moment you say that I want a delivery in a few hours in Amazon, you have to pay some premium. And all of us want quick delivery. He says that that is not going to change. I have to work towards that. And you know that he has got drones now to ensure that people get quick deliveries. So he says that quick deliveries is not going to change. And the best price for the same quality, if I can give the lowest price for the same quality. So if you buy an Apple phone, say on Amazon, and for the same quality, you get the lowest price, then his job is done. So he says that these are the three principles which are not going to change for me. And when people ask me what's going to change, I don't have an answer because I don't look at that. I don't look at what's going to change. I just look at what's not going to change because that is what I can control. I cannot control what's not going to change. What's going to change, sorry. So here's an example of Renu and Megha, two friends who decided to retire at 55. And each of them planned for their retirement. Renu felt that she should start investing at the age of 25, while Megha felt that it's too early to invest. And, I need to enjoy my life and there's enough time to save. And Megha finally decides to save from the age of 45. And she checks with Renu that if you are investing 5,000 rupees a month, how much will you invest by till the age of 55? So the answer is 18 lakhs. Megha says, okay, fine. I will also invest 18 lakhs, but let me invest 3 times what you're doing. From 45, I start investing 15,000 rupees a month for 10 years, and I too will invest 18 lakhs. When both of us invest 18 lakhs, obviously we'll have enough money for our retirement. But there is a twist. Now, Renu, at the age of 55, is able to amass a corpus of 1.76 lakh, which is a crore, almost 2 crores, if she got a return of 12%. And Megha, on the other hand, at 12%, gets just 35 lakhs. And she's shocked that I also invested 18 lakhs over 10 years, and you invested 18 lakhs over 30 years. What made the difference? So the difference is clearly, it does not matter how much you invest. It matters how long you invest. So the longer you invest, the better, as you can see here. So time in the market is very important compared to timing the market. So Megha went to time the market saying that, I don't need to start early. I can start 20 years later. But how much time you are is more important than the amount of money that you invest. You may invest less, but if you invest over long periods of time, wealth creation becomes much, much easier and much more sure shot. Here's another example called the cost of delay. What is the cost that you're paying if you delay? So if you need, say, 5 crore by the time you're 60, and assume that you want to grow that money at 12%, you can start at 7,500 rupees when you're 25 years, which is not a very big sum, and still make 5 crores at 12% by the time you're 60. But if you delay it by 5 years, saying that instead of 25, let me start at 30. So then you will need to invest double. 7,000 becomes 14,000 to make a corpus of 5 crore. And if you delay that to 35, to 40, or to 45, every time you'll see that you need double the money to make that corpus. And even if you're 45, no problem. You can still get 5 crore. But are you ready to invest a lakh a month and assume that you'll get 12%? It's much easier to get 12% over a long period of time than assuming to get 12% over a short period of time. So that's the catch of investing late and not investing with consistency. It's all about the behavior gap. While change is good, no change is also good. So here's another one. So the stock market is not for those who are in a rush to build wealth. It actually builds wealth for people who are not in a rush. So think about it.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.